Good morning, welcome back. My name's Lorna. I'm a yoga teacher and a psychotherapist. Let's move, let's start the day. So lots of people are asking for seated yoga. So let's do this. Hands on the knees, feet on the floor, and if you like and when you're ready, bring the spine back, chin to the chest. Squeeze your face, no one can see you, pull it up. Pull the knees, take the chin up. Inhale up to the sky. Exhale, pull it back. Inhale, exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale. You can take that faster if you like, and if you don't like, that's fine. So especially in the morning, it's great because we've been lying down and we stiffen up. The cortisol in our bodies there, it stiffens the fascia up, which is like the Spider-Man suit that we've got on, Spider-Woman suit we've got on under our skin, and that's where we get tight, and that's where aging happens and illness happens with the cortisol. So let's take the arms over the side. Just notice you don't want that hip to float up, like that could float up, okay? Keep it down. Inhale over, inhale up the rainbow, inhale down, exhale down even, inhale up. Might even want to look at your fingers just because we can disassociate a bit, especially in the morning. So wiggle your fingers. Let's do it on the other side. Great. Stretching the side. Okay, hands together, interlink, make a finger pointing like a thunderbolt. Take it forward, arch the spine back, arch. Inhale up. Exhale down. Arch, arch, arch. Squeeze your face. Inhale up. Turn to the side a little bit and back. Oop. Turn to the side. What's it like over there in the world? Bring it back. Excellent. Bring the hands down under one leg. You can choose to lift it, lie back. It's up to you. Put some circles in the ankles. Oh, hello. Circles in the ankles and the other way. We expect clicks and pops. It's fine. Wiggle the toes. Now kick the drum. Kick the drum, kick the drum, kick the drum, pull the knee in. Ooh, brilliant, give it a shake. Right, other side. Take it under, lift it up if you can. Circles, look at your ankles. Can you feel any tension on the top of the foot, side of the foot, near the ankle bone? Does one side feel different to the other? Kick the drum, give the leg a shake. Brilliant, right on the edge of the seat here. Right on the edge of the seat, forearm comes onto just above the knee. Let's take that over. Palm flat, like you're feeding a horse. And swing it back, and we'll do this again. Brilliant, staying on the edge, let the opposite hand come on the opposite knee, use the chair to twist yourself around. Not just your neck, so really from the belly button, abdomen. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Twists are great in the morning, waking our spine up. Just noticing that the magnolia tree's coming out again, and it's September. Oh, what's going on? But it's the end of summer. Crazy things at the end of summer. Big sweep. Inhale up, exhale down. And again. Inhale up. Exhale down. Do this one more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Sitting back comfortably in your seat. Comfortably in your seat. Taking your arms out front. Hook them over each other. What has she just done? So one elbow goes over the other, right? Then just bring the top bits up. If they can touch, great. If not, no problem. It's called eagle arms. Okay, so we're going to really lift the elbows up. Inhale, exhale. Now cross your ankles. Seated eagle. Open out. Cross the ankles the other way. Bring that back. Even if it's the same way, it doesn't matter. Inhale up. Exhale, awareness in the toes, put the toes on the floor, wiggle them, straighten the spine, lengthen the spine. Inhale up. exhale, hold, release, slowly let go. Just take a moment here to notice, what do you need now to stay well? What do you need now to stay well? I wish you a good day, and I'll see you next time. Take care.